If you are in Snapchat app and you may experiencing the Snapchat front camera is not working problem, it could be a black screen only. There can be a various of reasons why the Snapchat camera is not working on your iPhone or Android. This tutorial review will guide you how to fix Snapchat front camera not working problem. Solution number 1. Allow Snapchat to access the camera. Go to your settings, search for Snapchat and tap on it, and make sure to allow camera permission, and then launch your Snapchat app and check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is clear your Snapchat cache files. To do that, go to your Snapchat app and open your profile. Tap on the settings icon at the top right. Under privacy controls, tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Once you cleared your Snapchat cache, relaunch your Snapchat app and check the problem if fixed or not. And the third solution is restart your Snapchat app. Force close your Snapchat app, relaunch it and check the problem if fixed or not. And the next solution is update your Snapchat app. Go to your App Store or Play Store, search for Snapchat, and all you have to need just update it and then check the problem if fixed or not. And another solution is restart your phone. If all the above fixes didn't work, the Snapchat app doesn't have any issues, so you have to restart your phone and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the last and final solution is uninstall your Snapchat app and reinstall it from App Store or Play Store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.